Yes, student, the next content is significant figure. Student, in the last period, we have checked that if we have to measure any of the physical quantity, okay, like if we have to measure length of a pen, okay, length of our hand, height of ourself, then we are using different type of scales of the length. That is, we are using different type of unit, because the apparatus which we are using, it may be of different type, depends on the object. After measuring any of the substance and its physical quantity, then we have to report, okay, our measurement. Let, if I am measuring myself, okay, and suppose it is 2.3 meter or 2.32 meter. Let length, okay, of anything rope is, okay, reported as 2.34 meter. Okay, that is the accuracy is with 0.01 meter. This is what its accuracy, isn't it? Now we can say in the given measurement 2.3 is the certain. 2.3 is the certain, but last digit, that is what? This one, 4, is what? Uncertain. Okay, it may be 3 or 4. That is plus minus 1. Okay, so significant figure in a number is the total number of digits. Like here 1, 2, 3, these are what? Digit. Total number of digits, including the last uncertain digit. What is the last uncertain digit there? 4. Okay, whose value is uncertain. Getting? Is called significant figure. Okay, that means what? That means, student, up to 2.3 it is 100% sure, but what about the last digit? Now the accuracy, that is the least count, is 0.01. Means what? This last digit may be either plus 1 or minus 1. So there is what? Uncertainty in this number, in this digit. that is the last digit, there is what? Uncertainty. So what is the significant figure? It is the total number of digits, okay, like 2 and 3, including the last uncertain digit, that is what? 4. So you add all this, 2 plus 1 is equal to 4, whose value is uncertain, is called significant figure. Okay, in above case, significant figure is what? 3, because 2 digit and 1 digit. This is called what? 3. Now, rules for determining number of significant figure. Number of significant figure. Okay, rules for determining significant figure, that is in which case what will be significant figure in the given number. So first one, all non-zero digits. All non-zero digits, that is what? 1 to 9. These are called what? Non-zero digit. As well zeros, okay, if present between non-zero digits, okay, are significant figure. Like example, now all 1 to 9 non-zero digit as well. Now the digit 1 to 9 are included. They must be significant figure. But what about 0? Because 0 is also one of the digit. So if the 0 present between the non-zero digit, in that case will be included as significant figure. Example, 1, 5, 8, 7. So how many total digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So simply there is what? 4 significant figure. Isn't it? One more example. Example B, 235.92. So the total significant figure will be what? 5 significant figure. Okay. But if the number is, that is the C question, it is 102095. Then now along with non-zero digit, that is 1, 2, 9 and 5, there are 2 zero digits are there, this one and this one. So they will also include as significant figure because they are present between non-zero digit. So total significant figure is become what? 6 significant figure. So in this way, the non-zero digit 0 can become significant figure. But student, it is not necessary that 0 in a number always present in between. It is possible that it may be present anywhere. Like if number started from 0, that is if 0, okay, present before non-zero digit, isn't it? Example number A, 0.0235. Now there are 2 0, but these 0 are present before non-zero digit. Which one? 2, 3 and 5. So there will be only 3 significant figure. Means what? Means these zeros are not included. So if number started from 0, that is if 0 present, okay, before non-zero digit, okay, then the zeros are not included in significant figure. Isn't it? Yes, student, rules number 3. As I told you that the 0 may present anywhere. So the two cases regarding the 0 we have discussed. Now the case number 3rd. If a number end, okay, with 0. If the number end with 0, that is 0 present, okay, on just right, okay, just right, without decimal, then these zeros are not counted. In this case, the zeros are not counted. Okay, example number A, say 2, 3, 5, 0, 0. Isn't it? Now the number end by what? 0, and these zeros are present in the right side without decimal, then these zeros are not counted as significant figure. So the total significant figure will be what? 3 significant figure only. Okay. One more example, B, 5, 7, 9, 5, 5, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now there are 3 zeros, but all these zeros are present in the right side of a number, and after that there is no any non-digit zero, non-zero digit, as well no decimal point. So all these zero will not counted. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there will be what? 5 significant figure. Okay. But in the case of zeros, okay, are present, okay, after decimal point, okay, then counted as significant figure. Now think example 239.00. Now there are 2 0, but these zeros are present after decimal point, so will be counted as significant figure. So there will be total 5 significant figure. Like in bank, we are using this activity, we are giving with accurate value. Okay, we are writing 100 rupees as 100.00 rupees. Okay, so the zeros after decimal are counted as significant figure. Like example number B, 0.002005. Isn't it? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. Okay, some zeros are between, some zeros are after, and again look at here. Zeros are before non-zero digit, zeros are between non-zero digit, and 0 after non-zero digit, but the decimal is placed there. So here this one not include, this one not include, this one not include. Isn't it? But now 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be include, means these zeros will be include. So the total significant figure will be again what? 6 significant figure. Okay. Now fifth one, if numbers are expressed okay, using exponential form, that is what? That is using scientific notation, okay. Example 800. Okay, now these zeros are not considered as significant figure, so there will be only one significant figure, which is what? 8. But these zeros will not be considered as significant figure because they are present after non-zero digit without decimal point. But if we express the number, if we express this number as, we can express it, say 80 into 10 to power 80.0 into 10 to power 2, isn't it? Or we can express it like 8.0 into 10 to power 3. In this case, only first, that is what? This factor, only first factor is counted as significant figure. Okay, means here the 10.2 will not consider, so total significant figure is what? 3 significant figure. And here what? Only this one will counted, 1, 2. This is not counted, so there will be 2 significant figure. Okay, that means what? That means whatever the value, that is the second factor given, will not considered as significant figure. Are you getting? Like we can take one more example, 6.023 into 10 to power 23, isn't it? Now what? This is Avogadro number. So here what? We will consider only first first factor 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be 4 significant figure. This is not included in significant figure. Okay. Sixth number, if the number, okay, is given with specific articles, like 50x, then there will be infinite significant figure. There will be infinite significant figure. Why? Actually, this is the name of egg, and the egg always may be exactly 50. Okay, we cannot say it should be 51 or 49. This is a whole number. Okay, and the article, we cannot buy egg by cracking it and by making its fractions. So it will always remains what? Complete egg. So it can be expressed as 50.0, can be expressed as 50.00, can be expressed as 50.000000, anything. Now we know that zeros after decimal point is always included as significant figure. So if we include, is it like 50.0000000? In this case, it will become what? Infinite number of significant figure. Okay. Seventh one, if number, okay, we will see in next. Yes, student, next one, rules for deciding the number of significant figures involving the calculations. Okay, that is the solution. Question problem is there. So there may be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So which type of question is given, and for which type of calculation we have to give significant figure. Like first one, I am starting with involving addition and subtraction. That is, if the question is involve what? Addition or subtraction. Suppose the question is 32.56 plus 5.679 plus 123.9. Now we have to find how many significant figures are there. The question is how many significant figures are there. Okay, I am writing here how many significant figures. Okay, so what to do? We have to what? Just first solve the question as we are solving. So take the addition. This is what? 9, 6 and 7, 13, 6, 6, 12 and 9, 21. Okay. 4, 5, 9 and 3, 12, 3, 3, 6 and this is 1. Okay. This is called actual sum. This is called what? Actual sum or actual answer. You can write it what? Also answer. So this is the actual answer which we obtained by solving the question. But we have to report in different way. Like I will report it in the way 162.1 only. This is what? Reported answer. Now, why this is the reported answer? Because student, there are what? 3 numbers in the question. 1, 2, 3. These numbers having 2 decimal places. This is having 3 decimal place, and here there is only 1 decimal place. So we will report our answer, okay, up to least decimal place. So the least decimal place is, there is 2, 3 and 1. So this will be least 1. Therefore, I will also report my answer by what? Least decimal place, only 0.1. So now there will be what? 4 significant figure. Let me explain one more example. Example number 2. Say question number 2. 2.569, okay, plus 33.2 plus 29.53. That's it. Okay. Now take the actual sum. This is 9, 9. This is 2, 2, 3, 5, 9, 14. 3 to 5, 1, 16. This is called what? Actual. But what will be reported? Reported will be differ. Reported will be what? Differ. What? Say here, there are 3, there is 1 and there are 2. So I have to express my answer using what? Least decimal place. So my answer, reported answer will be 64.2. And there is what? 3 significant figure. This is the answer. This is about what? Addition and subtraction. Okay. Now, number 2, in case of multiplication or what? Division. Or what? Division. Okay. Like first I am explaining it using the question. The question is 1.5 multiplied by 5 only. Okay. Now what to do? Very first take its real answer 62.5. This is what? This is actual solution. Actual solution. But I will report my solution not in this way. The reported solution will be what? Will be only what? 6. Nothing. That means what? That means we have to report our answer only up to that significant figure which is present in least number of significant figure in the given question. So there are what? 3 significant figure. Here is what? 1 significant figure. So I will express my answer only up to 1 significant figure. So only 1 significant figure. Okay. Like I can solve one more question. 2, 5, 3. Okay. Multiplied by 56. So what to do? Very first solve the question. 253 multiplied by 56. 6 3 ja 18, 6 5 ja 30, 31, 6 2 ja 12 and 3 15, 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25 and 1 26, 5 2 ja 10 and 2 12. So 8 1 5 6, 5 6 11, 2 2 ja 4 and this is 1. This is called what? Actual solution. So the actual solution is not considered. I have to report my answer only up to that number of significant figure given in the least number of significant figure which is given in the question. That is, in question there are 3 significant figure, there is 2 significant figure, so I will express only by what? 14. That is what? That is, this is what? Reported solution. Reported solution, and in this reported solution, okay, 2 significant figures are there. So actually student, in the case of multiplication and division, even there is no need to solve the question. Okay, that means we have not to find actual solution. Simply what we have to do, we can only observe the which number of the question have least number of significant figure. So there are 3, there are 2, so there will be 2 significant figure. But student, to get the full marks, we have to solve question, we have to give actual solution, and then we have to write reported solution, and in the reported solution there must be what? The same number of significant figure which is present in the least number of significant figure in the given question. Okay. So now student, you have to prepare proper notes on it. Okay, you have to solve some more questions. There are many questions in NCERT in text. Okay, you can also use any one reference book. Okay, and prepare notes properly.